Since we are talking about jewelry being an asset and gold, diamonds, all of these do have resale value. What is the best way to invest? Is it gold coins? Is it jewelry?
See, when you want to satisfy your emotional value, when you are a working woman and you want variety to wear every day, then jewelry is the game.
Okay.
But if you want to invest thinking that, I want to make an investment that can be liquidated at any point of time, then it is always the coins. And it's not necessary that you need to have ample amount of budget to invest in jewelry or gold or diamonds. What a woman today can do is a basic investment of 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
आपके पास 5,000 है, आप 5,000 में आज की डेट में आपको आधा ग्राम सोना मिलेगा क्योंकि the gold is at a high. आपके पास 5,000 है, आप 50 ग्राम्स का सिल्वर लेके रख लो. आपके पास 5,000 है, ठीक है, आपका बड़ा सॉलिटेयर नहीं आएगा, बट एक 10 cent nose pin is very much possible. So why not that? So it could be depending on what kind of investment are you looking at. Are you looking at investment which is going to make you happy as well? And or you're looking at an investment where you want to liquidate it whenever you need it. So if you want to liquidate it, jewelry is not the right thing. क्योंकि आप जब भी jewelry return या exchange के लिए जाओगे, labor cost हर jeweler deduct करेगा, which is a big bang to you again. So on that note, please go and buy coins and bricks. I would also advise when you're buying silver. इंडिया में हम जनरली क्या करते हैं, गणेश जी, लक्ष्मी जी के स्वरूप वाला हमने सिक्का खरीद लिया. Don't do that. Buy a brick.
Okay.
Those coins will again have a making charge to it.
Okay.
Which will be deducted.
Interesting. So the bricks don't have?
The bricks have a very minuscule of making charge.
Okay.
मतलब अगर आप 10,000 रुपए का ले रहे हो तो उसमें से शायद 400-500 रुपए कटे.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि उसकी पैकेजिंग कॉस्ट भी है, उसकी मेकिंग कॉस्ट भी है, तो a total barely 5% भी नहीं होगा उसका.
Okay.
So always invest in bricks.
So if basically what you're saying is investment तो हो सकता है in different ways. But it depends on what you're doing it for.
Exactly.
That makes all the difference.
What is the purpose of doing the investment?
Correct.
If you're looking at yourself where you have your daughter growing up very soon, then definitely an investment would be where you are buying very daily routine wear stuff jewelry, because girls today don't want to have heavy jewelry at all.
Correct.
They want minimalistic, chic kind of jewelry which they can change and wear over a period of again.
Right.
So then that becomes your investment. If you are looking that my son is about to get married in next 5-7 years, I need to have some liquidity with me. That point of time, your gold coins and bricks are your investment. So investment definition changes from it's very subjective.
Right.